Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Tiff from Scrap Sanity. Today I could potentially have the quickest tutorial in the history of YouTube. So stick around, this is only going to take a couple of minutes. It will definitely be worth your while. This is what we're making. Aren't they gorgeous? Little butterfly punched key tags. You can call them journals, you can call them whatever you want. Okay, I don't think I need to describe to you how to punch, so you can get any type of punch you want. I've just got a butterfly punch here. You can use hearts, you can use diamonds, you can use squares, you can use whatever you want. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright, so obviously you can do as many as you like, but we're just going to use 10 for this tutorial. You can layer them up like I have in these ones, or you can use just all the same, but I'm just doing this because it's quick. And then you get your hole punch or your crocodile. Okay, so you can do your hole on either side, left or right, it just depends. I don't think it really matters so much. I'm just going to do mine on the right. Alright, so then we're punching our hole. Keep your thumb on there so that it doesn't move. You can use a bulb pin, whatever colour you like. I'm lucky that this one's got all colours in it, so it doesn't really matter. A nice green one. And I've just got a little, I think they're called dog clips. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And there you have it. The world's quickest tutorial on YouTube. You can make them for Valentine's Day. Someone that you love, you can make it for yourself. And how cute is that? You can use it as a journal. You can just use it to record life's precious moments. You can give it to someone as a gift. You can hang it somewhere just because it's beautiful. You could use this as a visual reminder. Let's say, for example, that you have a goal and it might be a yearly goal. You can punch 12 and then you can rip one off each month. And then you can think, I've only got so far to go, so many months to go to reach my goal. Or it could be a weekly goal and you could punch 7 and then you could go, oh, I've only got 3 days to go. So guys, it's only limited to your imagination as to what you can use them for. What a cute, unique little gift. It literally takes you minutes. I just think they're adorable, and these are all the ones that I've made earlier today. I've pretty much used scraps on all of these. I think these was cosmetic boxes. Now in my previous video, I've got 100 different things that you can use from around the house. These were all just bits of printer paper that I did errors on. This is when I had a problem with my Epson printer the other day and the ink dried up. If you've got an Epson 5800, make sure that you print something in colour at least once a week, because they dry up and then you're going to have to use heaps of ink to flush it out. Oh, I could do a separate video on it, but I don't want to bore you. If you've had any problems like that where you haven't used your printer enough and it's dried up, let me know in the comments. If you don't have bulb pins and clips, you can use paper clip, you could use twine to join it to something, you can use ribbon, whatever it is that you've got, just use what you have. Loving reading all your comments, and I really love YouTube. And if you like this idea, please give it a like, subscribe. And the most important thing is to have fun, guys, because I had so much fun making these, and I hope you do too. So if you give it a go, let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep smiling, keep creating, keep having fun, and thank you for all your support so far, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.